Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, April 17th, 2025, we're breaking down Litecoin, also known as LTCUSD. We're going to look at the latest news and then dive deep into the charts to see what's happening. Based on recent news, there's a lot of buzz around a Litecoin spot ETF being listed on the DTCC under the ticker LTCC, and analysts are ranking it as a likely candidate for SEC approval. This is a really big catalyst to watch for. Despite the positive news, some sources warn that a Litecoin price crash could still occur even with increasing whale activity. So, the news is mixed, but the possibility of an ETF is certainly exciting. Now, let's transition to the daily chart and analyze Litecoin's price action. We can see a pretty big run-up in early March of 2024. After peaking around $110, the price has since retraced and has been consolidating around the $70 to $80 range. It looks like it's had some trouble staying above $80, which can be seen as a point of resistance. Zooming in on the more recent candles, from the start of this year up until today, we can see how LTCUSD has struggled to regain momentum. The price briefly rose above $100 in April, but then suffered a steep decline, indicating some selling pressure or negative sentiment. Looking at more current market movements, LTCUSD has tried to break $80 in recent days, but it can't get past it. This could mean the market does not think the recent news is that big of a deal. If we switch to the 1-hour chart, we can get a clearer picture of the short-term price action. Focusing on the last few days, we can see some volatility and choppiness. The price has been fluctuating between $74 and $80, but has been mostly unsuccessful trying to break above $80. This might suggest that there are some big sell orders being placed at this price level. Now let's narrow our focus even further by switching to the 15-minute chart to inspect the near-term price action. Zooming in on yesterday and today shows that LTCUSD is currently trending around $74. $80 seems like a resistance, and with no clear breakout it's hard to say if it's bullish in the short term. If the bulls can break through $80 and sustain above it, then there's a strong chance for higher prices, especially with the potential ETF catalyst. If it falls below $70, then the bears are taking charge, and the price will likely decline further. To recap, we've identified key price levels to watch, which are $70, $80, and $100. A break above $80 with strong volume would be a bullish signal, potentially leading to a test of the $100 resistance level. However, failure to hold above $80 and a drop below $70 would indicate bearish momentum, possibly leading to further downside. Overall, keep an eye on news regarding the spot ETF and how it will likely affect the price action in the coming days and weeks, and if it's worth swinging until 2030. This is Explain the Charts. Be sure to like and subscribe.